So in this lesson, we're going to figure out the length of a vector moving in 3D space. So in this case, we have a player that's 2 over to the left, down, and in 3, going to a player that's 7 on the left, and then up 5, and over 8. So we're going to use cross multiplication for this, the cross dot product. So we're going to take these two here, negative 2 and 3, and then we're going to take the ones below it, 5 and 8. And then we're going to grab this one and this one, the far end ones. So 2 and 3, and then 7 and 8. This one and this one. And then for our last one, we're going to take these two. So 2, negative 2, 7 and 5. Now we have to drop them into the formula. So we are going to cross multiply the first one. Let's do the first one. So let's have a parentheses here. And we're going to multiply this one. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. Shrink this down some. And minus this one times this one, 15. First one. Now we're going to multiply again, cross multiply across. 2 times 8, 16, minus, so these are all minuses inside this equation. 16 minus 21. And this one is minus, this one is plus. So the first one's subtracting the y, and the first one's adding the z. So 2 times 5 is 10, minus, but they're all minus inside this part here. 2 times 10 is 5. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Okay, so let's see what we end up with. So negative 16 minus 15 is negative 31. (16) minus 21 is minus 5, but that's a minus, so that is going to be 10. So 16 minus 21 minus 5, but we have minus a minus 5. And then we're going to have 24. So that would be our answer using the dot matrix multiplication. So I'm going to put a couple of numbers up and have you practice it. So remember, you take the first two here and those two, write them down, and then you multiply across. Okay? Then you take this one and this one and this one and this one, and then again multiply across, and then you just take these two and this one, and you're multiplying across, and then there is subtraction in each one of these, and then you have minus and a plus. So give it a shot. Let's create one. So let's say we have 4, 7, and 7. Make the first one all positive. And then 5, 12, and we'll make it 9. So I want you to do this and do it and submit the answer to Google Classroom. Take your time, set it up right, and set the equation. You can go back and watch the other video to do it.